You can see Qwen 3.8 Max is available. Now it's a new bar for coding and co-work. You can see Qwen 3.8 is designing chip non-stop for 12 hours, and you can see the demo in this video. And here, if you scroll a little bit, right now Qwen 3.8 Max is available on Qwen Cloud with 2.4 trillion parameter, and inside it actually 95 billion active parameter, with OpenWeight releasing next week. That means it will release OpenWeight in the next week, and previous comprehensive improvement across coding, work, research, long horizon tasks is now added to this specific model, and it's end-to-end and dependable delivery for complex tasks. You can see the coding benchmark here. This is SWE Pro. It performs 67.7, and on terminal bench 2.1 it performs 86.6 and is better than Cloud actually. And here is others benchmark, you just see that. And for the coding, actually here is it's a case study. It's work for 10 days of autonomous coding, built a self evolving harness, and here is the case study. You can see the video is here. You can just see this to understand how the model is performing. And here is a research paper reproducing work, and then it will improve. And here is the thing with the video, you can just see that. Then next one is beat hundreds of human team in 24 hours, and all of this data is actually based on their research. And here when we test, we'll understand how it's going to perform. Okay, so the stat is here, and all of this is okay. So this is a long horizon task, and all of this is here. Okay, so we don't read all of this stuff. And how you can just get access it right now, if you just go to chat.qwen.ai, here you can see under this drop down you can just choose to Qwen 3.8 Max, and now try to use it. For example, maybe you need to sign in, so let me try. I will say hi, and now it's actually working. So though it says welcome to Qwen, you need to log in. So let's try to log in. I will continue with my Google account. Okay, so this is now the interface. Here you can see we have few options. You can just chat, create new chat, search existing chat. Here is the community tab. Here you can see all the and image is created. You can just shift to the video tab, report tab, to see how people are using Qwen 3.8 Max, and here is the results. Okay, so here are some beautiful websites. You can see this website is better. You can see just explore all of this website, and you can see here is a game. Let me explore it, and you can just get the code here. Okay, so fine, let me try. Oh, so how I'm not a big player of gaming. Okay, so it's built nice game actually, and right now you can see it's very competitive, and I actually not much able to play. Okay, here is another game probably. Okay, so the result is impressive, and see, wow, the effect is much better. You can just play with mobile, you can just play with desktop, and you can see so how to move. Wow, the sound is fine. Okay, let me get that. We'll go to this portion. Okay, I cannot actually a big fan of gaming, but here is it can produce game. So Minecraft is here, and all of these people are just making game using this model, and it's funny. So it's actually Grand City Auto game and all of this stuff, piano game. Oh, much better result you can get it from. Okay, so I hope you understand how it's working. If you just move to the podcast, you can see the podcast, and here so report is here. You can just pick any report to see, and let me check the video options, how it's creating video. Okay, this is a childhood video. Fine. So wow, this is much creative. I just chat with here. You can just simply choose Qwen 3.8 Max, and now you can just chat with it. Okay, so how you can do that, let me say hi, and it's kind of replying. Let me try to generate a roadmap. So I need a Python developer roadmap. Okay, so let me just send this prompt, and it's giving me roadmap what to do. Okay, at first learn Python fundamentals, so practice all of these, a small program, then learn intermediate Python. So you should learn all of this stuff. Essential developer tools, you need to learn Git, GitHub, VS Code, Python, terminal, and command line basics. Pip, env, VNV, virtual environment, requirements.txx, requirement.tst, txt, then basic debugging and all of this stuff, then learn data structure and algorithm, so it's fine. Then you will choose a specific path. You can go with web development path, so you will have to learn all of those. Then go with data science and data analysis path. Okay, then we'll have automation and scripting path. Fine. DevOps, backend infrastructure, and cloud path is here. Okay, so impressive. It's just try to suggest all of this stuff, and here is the timeline. Okay, so it's almost complete, and right now you can just try to build something. You can try to build, create image, see how it's generate image for me. I will choose Qwen image 3.0, and here we'll paste this prompt. You can see create a YouTube thumbnail for my video. My video topic is Qwen 3.8 max. So now see how this model is performing for image creation. Okay, so now tell me how the image is better than ChatGPT image or better than Gemini or something. Just leave a comment how the image is.